Hello everybody, I'm Councillor Marion James and I'm here this morning on the lovely Wallington Green along with my colleague Councillor Sunita Gordon and Connell, who is the chair of Wallington Green. And Councillor Gordon is just going to tell you a little bit how we've been able to enhance the environment here on Wallington Green using some public realm money, and then Connell's going to tell us a little bit about how you as residents and neighbours can get involved in making sure that Wallington Green is a great place for us here in Wallington.
Thank you, Marion. I would like to just point out to the residents that we as councillors through our local committee and public realm provide place enhancement opportunities, and the typical one here at Wallington Green is the new bins that we've got and some hanging basket poles. They're all heritage poles. The bins were specially replaced to ensure that crows don't pick out litter and litter the lovely green. I'll pass over to Colin. Thank you.
Thank you for that. Being the General Manager of the Duke's Head and the pub being a focal point of the community, I'd like to encourage people to get active and come join us and help upkeep the Wallington Green and have more residents involved in the community, which would be a great thing for not only the Green but for the residents as well.